All right, guys, what we're gonna do, these are the 5-tier plant shelves, so I can start my seeds inside. And like next week's gonna be 80 degrees. It's actually cold this morning. It's like 25 degrees this morning. But let's go ahead and build, I wanna build one of these, see what it looks like, see how big it is, see how much it'll hold. And then if I need the second one, I'll build it. If not, I might just put that back in the closet for if I need it in the future. So let's get started. Look what my friend made for the garden. We still have to spray coating on them to protect them. I thought she did a pretty good job. These are the things we're gonna have in our garden. So it kind of helps label them. I thought she did pretty good. All right, we got both shelves built. They're actually pretty nice shelves. They have the lights on top of each shelf. I'm just trying to get all this kind of figured out, what fits. And I got a rubber, actually pretty nice thick rubber gym type mat, just to protect the floors from dirt and water or whatever. But we're gonna do a lot of bottom watering. We're gonna put water in the trays and let it soak upward to get the seeds started. All right, let's go outside and mix some dirt. I got some seedling dirt and some garden dirt and some eggshells to put in there too. We'll mix it all up. All right, let's start these seeds. We got some dirt in there. We're gonna put some more in there. We got some more very light soil to put in there. Some eggshells are in there. Then we're gonna plant all these seeds to get it going. And we're gonna label these mofos. Here's the seeds. How light that is. Boy, look at that. That is light. That's such light soil so the seeds can get through it. Seed starting mix. Boy, that's light. Holy moly. I'm gonna mix it up with some other stuff in there, some eggshells. We'll start with this, and then we'll probably need to get some more that light dirt because I got all those I can fill up yet. Okay, we placed an order to Lowe's. I just had a good couple things for the garden. I had to get some more seedling soil. It's taking more than I thought, and I used the Lowe's credit card to save 5%, also free delivery. And then I paid it off immediately, so I carried a balance for like 5 minutes just to get the discount free delivery. But anyway, let's get our boxes. All right, let's just see what we got real quick. Oh, I know one of the things I ordered was a garden hose. These seem too light. This must just be the soil. Yeah, I got 2 bags of this. Boy, that's dust. Because I have to water the indoor ones. I don't know how to... Pretty dinky. Yeah, that's the hose here. 50 feet should do it because I think that's a 100-foot hose and has to reach all the way to the corner of the yard so I can water everything. But that should do it. This might have to go back. That's very dinky. I don't know if that would, it might work. It's just for the indoor seeds. Let's see what else is coming in here. It's starting to come in there. Those are tomatoes, cherry and beefsteak. And down here, we got some carrots starting to come in. Over here, a little bit of radish and sweet peppers are coming in. We're still waiting on some of this other stuff to come in. Nothing on this shelf yet. That's why the light's off. Brought that in because it's actually cold today. It's actually cold today. I had to cover a lot. We got some other kind of plants out there that don't produce food. But, you know, we like our plants, so I had to put blankets over them because it went from 80-something down to like 30 degrees overnight. It sure should warm up today, though. But there's the garden shelves. So far, so good. We'll see how the rest of the stuff comes in. I hope we have a big garden this year, but we'll see. I'm still learning this whole garden thing. I'm loving it, though. And this garden is going to be huge. And it's one more little piece of being a little more self-sufficient. You know, nothing too crazy, but it's something I enjoy, and I love doing it, and I love bringing more food into the household that we grow ourselves, man. Put a seed down. Like, these are from seeds. I find that so cool. You put a seed down and you get food. I love it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate you guys very much. And I'll keep you updated on the garden throughout the whole process. Hopefully we'll get lots and lots of good food. And I'll take you guys along with us as we do this. So let's garden. Give me a like if you think about it, and consider subscribing if you haven't. And I'll see you guys on the next video, and stay safe out there. And any gardening tips, because I'm a rookie, let me know what I can do better. This one we got on Amazon. Got 2 of these. Easy to build. So far, I actually really love them a lot. And so far, they seem to be working pretty good. And since they're kept indoors, these will last a long time. But this is them if anyone's interested.